everyone, this is Shania and Nitin. So every time we camp, we usually have to pull out the power supply from the window. So Nitin has installed shore power in our car. And you want to talk about this, Nitin?
Yes, so I have used NOCO shore power plug for this one.
Okay.
And I pull out the wire from this section. If you are aware about the CN section where we kept our jack and all the tools, there is a small hole here. I've used this cushion just to make sure that in case any cut or anything happened, there will not be any electric shock. Take out this wire from here, as you can see, and then from here I just connected this. Now I also like to talk about this hitch. So the specific hitch that provides this socket. I've connected the shore power, so you can see the description of this hitch in the video. See, it's completely hidden, and the ground clearance is around 13 inch. And let me demonstrate it. So this is the power inside.
Every campsite has the power supply. You just put in the main supply into this shore power, and you can use your supplies or any electronics. This way it's much easier. You can keep your windows closed, and and it's more convenient. And also I would like to say thank you for your appreciation and comments on our first video we posted. And if you have any questions regarding camping, camper vans, please feel free to drop in your comments, and we'll try to answer them as we can. We are also learning in this process. So, and thank you all. Stay tuned.